Maybelline now has a new collection added sa kanilang Superstay Vinyl Ink, and that is called the Nude Shock. And in that collection, they released 8 new shades, and I will be swatching 4 of those 8 shades in this video. As usual, what I do on this channel is I rate the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. I have the shade 63 Intriguing. And 63 Intriguing is actually the shade that I am wearing for the rest of this video. There's a good reason why, kasi for the shades that I got to try sa newest collection ng Maybelline, this is my favorite. Yung shade na Intriguing is nude na meron siyang peachy tones to it. Actually, meron siyang tendency na mag-wash out, guys. So, I like to pair this up with a lip liner. And yung lip liner na ma-recommend ko is from Vice Cosmetics. Ililink ko din yun sa description box below. Pero hindi ko na ma-recommend yung lipstick na to sa mga medium to deep morena. Sa mga light medium like me or lighter, so if you're a mestiza, then this nude lippy will definitely work for us. Because gusto ko siya, it works out for my skin tone, it works out for my needs and wants, then I'm gonna give it a 5/5. The second shade that we have here is 100 Charm. Now, this is their neutral rosy nude shade. And even though I like the shade, gustong-gusto ko yung color niya, but combined with the vinyl shiny finish, I'm not a fan of it. So, I would give it a 5 sana. Pero dahil yung combination niya is yung shiny finish ng vinyl ink na to, then I'm not a fan of it. So, 4 lang siya sa akin. Ma-recommend ko yung color na to sa mga deep morenas to light mestizas. It is quite a versatile shade. However, sa mga kasing kulay ko, or especially lighter, this will just have a different effect on you guys compared naman sa mga deep morenas. Sa mga deep morenas, this will be like a rosy nude MLBB color on you. Pero sa mga light morenas or mestizas, this will give out an angsty vibe on you. Medyo edgy lang yung kulay na to, but still works out. Yung price ng isang Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink, the Nude Shock, is 499 pesos. And yung staying power niya, according sa Maybelline, is 16-hour wear siya. Of course, it has instant shiny finish, budge-proof siya. And we all know the reputation naman ng Superstay Vinyl Ink na matagal naman talaga siyang matanggal. So, if you're looking for a long-lasting, super strength lipstick that will last you the whole day, then this lippy is for you. Third shade that we have here is 62 Irresistible. And this shade is medyo may pagka-neutral maroon siya. Actually, medyo nag-wonder na nga ako bakit na-include yung shade na to and even the previous shade sa Nude Shock collection, because this doesn't really speak nude to me. It doesn't look nude at all, and even the next shade actually. So I don't know why they included this shade along with the other 2 in this collection, because it's just way too red. On me, it looks really deep, lalo na sa mga mestizas that will also give out that similar vibe and effect on your look. Pero sa mga morenas naman, this will be a wearable maroon lippy on you. For the shade 62 Irresistible, I'm just gonna give it a 2/5 because this shade combined with this shiny finish doesn't really speak to my soul. It doesn't represent my personality that much. The next shade that we have here is 61 Risky, and this is a red brick shade. Now, for this shade, again, I don't understand why it is included in the Nude Shock collection. But anyway, we're just gonna roll with it. Yeah. Again, this red brick shade really looks bold on me, and especially sa mga mestizas. So sa mga kasing kulay ko or lighter, expect a bold and mature effect on your overall look. Pero sa mga deeper skin tones naman, if you're looking for a red lippy that maganda siya as an everyday wear, hindi siya yung matingkad na kind of red, then this is for you. It is pretty wearable. I'm not a big fan of the shade in this finish, kaya I'm also gonna give it a 2. To be honest, medyo nasad lang ako sa shade range na ina-offer nila for this collection because I was really expecting different varieties of nudes. So I was expecting nudes in different undertones, different feels, different effects on me. Sa shade range that I got, 3 out of 4 yung hindi ko talaga mako-consider as nudes kasi it's very red, very warm, and missed opportunity siya to explore those different kinds of undertones that they would be able to offer sana sa kanilang mga market. Thankfully, meron akong nagustuhan kahit isa lang, and that is the shade that I'm wearing right now. So if you want to get this shade, guys, then I will be linking it in the description box below. Now let's answer the question, worth it ba i-check out ang Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Nude Shock Collection? And my answer to that is depende kung anong shade yung bet nyo, yun yung i-check out ninyo. But for me, I would really recommend yung shade na 63 Intriguing. So if you like mga nudes that has peach tones to it, then this is the shade for you. If nakatulong yung video na to sa shopping experience ninyo, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe na kayo sa channel ko. And if gusto niyo pang tumambay dito sa channel ko, I have my playlist here ready for you guys to marathon. Just remember, no hate, just love.